Hello there. This is Zippo Aze, your source for all things about Zippo. Nice to meet you. Today is the second part of our new journey into the world of Zippo, a new product that came out last year. Let's take a closer look at the Zippo Yellow Flame Butane inserts. As you see, the main difference between the Yellow Flame and other inserts is that the Yellow Flame is a butane-filled inserts. It's charged with butane, so it's very simple. Refilling is very quick. And as I mentioned last time, when you're refilling with butane gas, insert upside down, butane upside down, and that's it. It takes about 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, let's refill it, and it's done. Now, if you turn it on, it's going to light up like this. This yellow flame insert, which is what I'm using. And it doesn't have a nice, smooth flame like the turbo flame that we had last time. The flame is more like an oil insert. The flame is an oil insert, but the charge is a butane charge. If you look here, you have a flint spring screw, right? It's the same. It's a slightly different size than the oil insert. The yellow flame insert also features flint. If you look at the bottom, you'll see a flint wheel here, right? Just like the oil insert. You spin the wheel in the same way as the oil insert, and then you ignite it with the spark. This way, the flame is similar to the oil insert. But if you look here, there's windproof here, right? Zippo has a patented, famous windproof lighter called the Windy Proof. But this insert is not windproof. So it's a little bit of a downside that it turned off when it's really windy. But it's definitely convenient to use. The installation is exactly the same. You take out the oil insert, charge the butane insert, put it in, and you're good to go.